Well, hello all. I hope you are having a good weekend so far. I just wanted to share a few things with you as we dive into week two tomorrow. Some of you had already started working on week two, which is our online week, and I do appreciate that. Some of you are just finishing up still on week one. That's okay. But what I want you to know is that, and what's really important, is that the group discussions really are to help you find things that are going to be important week to week. And I know I'm being redundant here, but I just want to reiterate that you build on as you are writing your project for your particular company that you're building. Don't get too hung up on the words construct and template and stuff. I just want you to put your week to week stuff, working as a team, in a Word document. Okay? Nothing more than that. That's all I want you to upload. The thing is, they were asking you to use a what they call a wiki template, WIKI, and that basically is going to be an interactive template where you can put different parts of your project in and work on it from week to week. But putting everything in a Word document in the form of a draft, after you've dotted through, after you worked on all the DQs, have corrected them and uploaded them, after you do all the assignments, this will all work together week through week. And at the end, you have a final draft. And many of you have put that in your team charter already. All right? You've got it. You've got that final draft, all of you. Team redundancy, all your teams. Redundancy, Fantastic Four. Let me see what I got here. Team Supermodel, and of course the Workaholics, which I'm sure you're working now right through the night. But on that note, the point is, I really want you to invent the company, your company, and the whole thing of the project is the marketing mix. All right? Product, price, product, it's like she sells seashells. Product, price, place, and promotion. Okay? The marketing mix is what you're going to interject week into week until your end result project. That's what's important. So don't worry about the wiki template. Don't worry about anything else. Do all your drafts in a Word document. Then when you feel it's okay, upload it. I'll take a look at it week by week. But the important thing is to get involved in the group discussions, get involved in the questions. Anything that needs to be uploaded as an assignment, keep on top of that. Because this just works into itself week to week, and the final product is your project at the end. So research other places that are similar to the company that you've invented. That's not a problem because that is a research source. All of you guys just got off of research and stats. All right, you know how to research now. You know the meaning of research. So be able to back up your models, okay? Be able to substantiate that because in the final week, week 7, when you're presented at the end of the course, you want to be sure that all your eggs are in one basket. And if I ask questions about that, you're able to answer where you got your information. So on that note, I downloaded. Bart Jones asked me a really good question about where he was confused about. You know, are you looking to look at other companies? Are you using your own? What do we mean by context? And I answered his question. And what I did, and thank you for that, Bart, but what I also did is downloaded my response to him so you can all see it. All right, so that's basically it. Work on week 2. If you haven't finished your stuff on week 1, you have plenty of time because I loaded some stuff, a whole bunch of stuff on the vacation week, which was allegedly last week. So when we get together again a week from this Saturday, seems like forever, doesn't it? We'll be able to really get into talking about our projects, talking about where we're going. Week 3 is going to be a very interesting week as we are going to be talking about products and service. And that's really important. Products and services are basically going to outline, okay, the 4 Ps and examining the concept that all marketers produce and or sell a tangible product or an intangible service to consumers or businesses. And we want to look at how we do this. And this is going to be food for thought for your projects. There's a bunch of PowerPoints there as well. So what I'm going to be doing, over this weekend and through this week is, certainly you want to keep cognizant of the due dates of your assignments. And quite frankly, I pulled them out a little bit beyond the template. Remember now, your discussion questions, your DQs, if you're the first or second one to post 3 paragraphs of the question being asked. Once you're able to go up there and see some posts of at least 2 other students, respond to the class and to those 2 other posts in one post, not 2 others with different due dates. You have one due date for one post, your class participation, your class response, and then the 2 to the other 2 people in your class. If you're confused on that, get back to me, but I'm only going to upload 1 grade because that's the only thing the grade book allows me to do. So on that note, I'm pretty much okay, but you guys know how to get me if you need me. Have a good weekend.